and welcome to our very first YouTube video. Today you're watching KittyKate and Livvy-Bel.
Hi, I'm Olivia and this is my mum Katie. Today we are making pancakes.
First of all, we'll need all of our ingredients ready. So what do we need, Olivia?
You will need 300 ml of milk,
2 eggs,
100 grams of plain flour.
and a pinch of salt.
Next, you will need a whisk. You can use a hand whisk like this one or an electric whisk. It's up to you.
Get yourself a large bowl like this one. Then you can start to combine all of your ingredients together.
So let's start with the flour and the salt. Put the flour in first. Then add the salt. Make a small well into the flour with a spoon.
Now it's time for the eggs. Crack them both and add them to the bowl. Make sure you check for shells first though.
Then you need to whisk and add the milk gradually until the mixture is nice and smooth. You just need a frying pan, some oil and a spatula.
For this next part, please make sure you get an adult to help you, because we're going to have to go and heat up some oil first.
Now use a large spoon or a ladle and put some of the pancake mix into the pan.
Allow the pancake to cook until it starts to look like it's drying out a little bit on the top. Then you need to turn it over.
If you're really clever, you can flip it like my dad.
Once you've used all of your mixture up, then it's time to serve. Add your toppings and
Enjoy!